The Better CNC Factory is a collaboration between CNC Factory, IAC and Jesse Howard. CNC Factory is an interior building company in the Netherlands. In the factory we have 2 CNC machines that we use a lot for wood fabrication. So much in fact that last year we processed 30,000 square meters of sheet material. It allows us to do highly custom production on a fast turnaround time. But it leads to a lot of waste. In fact, research has shown that 30% of every CNC sheet ends up as waste. At CNC Factory, we have an average of 50% waste. So what can be done with this leftover material? We try to manually nest in extra parts in the sheet. But this is taking a lot of time in our production schedule. And there is a lot of space left over. So we need to do better and we need to solve this before production even begins. So we teamed up with IAC and Jesse Howard to rethink the workflow. We developed a 5-step process. For that, IAC created a database where production flow is selected on material and thickness demands of the parts. We changed from project to material-driven selection. In step 1 and 2, we combine projects we need now and internal projects from the CNC Factory waiting list in the database. In step 3, we fill the sheet with external projects from designers we collaborate with, and in step 4, we start nesting. In step 5, we created a software tool Found Objects that generates new parts out of the leftover space. After the steps, we have developed a projection and labeling tool so all parts can be found easily for manufacturing. All these steps generate an efficient workflow. With the Found Objects, we challenge designers to create their own products based on what the software is giving them. So the Found Object parts can be adapted to different objects. Of course, we think of practical furniture like a cabinet or a stool. But we challenge you to do better.